This is the project we're going to do today. This is card number 4 from the Hero Arts July 2019 kit. So in this project, as I said, we used the July 2019 kit, some of the stamps from this. We also used several of the stamps from one of the add-on kits, Lake Time Fun. And I also used a cloud stencil that I made using dies to die for a cloud edge border. And we also used the largest die from the Lawn Fawn small stitched rectangle and the largest die from the Lawn Fawn large stitched rectangle sets. And so let's begin. I'm stamping onto Bristol Smooth cardstock, and I am going to cut out my piece with this Lawn Fawn die. This is the largest die from the small stitched rectangles, and I am just going to kind of mark where the edges are here with a pencil so that I know where my stamping area needs to be. I'm going to start by stamping the bottom part of the trees, and I'm going to use the lime green that came with the kit. Okay, next I'll stamp the bottom part of the trees, and I will stamp this with the forest. Okay, next I'm going to use a stencil that I made from my dies to dies for dies, and I just made a stencil for this, a cloud stencil. And I will use the blue that came with the kit. This is Dusty Blue. And I'll use my blending brush. And I'm just going to make some clouds in the sky. Now I'll erase the pencil marks from up in the sky. And now I will blend the blue down into the water area. Okay, now I'm going to use VersaFine Onyx Black ink to stamp in all my little figures. And now I'll use the Dusty Blue to stamp some of the water ripples. And I have a little black smudge right there, so I'm going to use this little Loch Ness monster. Now I'm going to dry this with my heat gun for a while. Okay, now I'll place my die on this. Okay, I want this portion down below where the little fisher boy down here is standing on to be off, and so I'm going to just stamp some more here. And I'm going to take some of the blue color from the kit, and I'm going to use one of my Lawn Fawn large rectangles. And I'll use some 1mm foam tape. This one came, I'm not sure if it came with this kit or if it came with another kit. This is from Hero Arts. And so I will put some foam. Okay, I'm going to put the Have Fun sentiment. Okay, and I'll put it on my card base now. And here's the final card. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!